Question number 5 of exercise 2.7 is find 7 divide 3.5. You have to divide this 7 by 3.5. Let's start the solution, student. First, we will remove the decimal point from the decimal number. As you can see here, 7 is a whole number. There is no decimal point here. But in 3.5, there is a decimal point. So first we will remove this point from this 3.5. How we can, as you learnt in previous classes also, first we will write this number without decimal point, 35. Then we will put this divide sign. Then in place of this point we will write 1. Then we will check there are how many digits after this decimal point. There is only one digit, so we will put 10 after this 1. Okay student, now as you know how we can divide two fractions, same process you have to apply. 7 as it is, this divide sign will convert into multiply sign. Then we will take the reciprocal of 35 by 10. And what will be the reciprocal of 35 by 10? Yes, just you have to interchange the places of numerator and denominator, and we will get 10 upon 35. Okay student, and we can write this 7 as 7 upon 1 also. Okay, now we will multiply this numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. What we will get? 7 tens are 70 upon 35. Now we will cancel out this. 35 ones are 35 and 35 twos are 70. So our answer is 2. This is our answer. In next question we have to divide this 36 by 0.2. So let's start. 36 as it is, because there is no decimal point here. Divide as it is. Now we will remove this point from here. What we will get? 2 upon, in place of 0.1, and after this decimal point there is only one digit, so we will write 10 after this 1. Then same process, 36 divide will convert into multiply. Then we will take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 upon 10 will be 10 upon 2. Then we will put here 1 in the denominator of 36. Then we will multiply this numerator by numerator. We will get 360 upon 2 ones are 2. Now we will cancel out these. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 0. Here what we will get? We will get 180. This one is our answer. As you can see here student, here both the numbers are in the decimal. Both the numbers are decimal numbers. So we will remove decimal point from both the numbers. So first we will remove this decimal point from 3.25. What we will get? We will get 325 upon, in place of decimal we will write 1, and after there are how many digits? This decimal point 2. So we will put 2 zeros after this 1. Divide sign as it is. From here also we will remove this decimal point. What we will get? We will get 5 upon 10. Then 325 upon 100 as it is. This divide will convert into multiply. Then reciprocal of 5 upon 10, which is 10 upon 5. Then we will multiply this 325 by 10 and 100 by 5. We will get 3250 upon 500. Now we will simplify this. This 0 cancel with this 0. As you can see here student, we can cancel out both the numbers by 5. 5 ones are 5, 0. 5 6 are 30. 2 will remain. 5 5s are 25. 65 by 10. Again we will cancel out this number by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 1 will remain. 5 3s are 15. So what we will get? We will get 13 by 2. As you can see student, your question is in the form of decimal, so your answer will be also in the form of decimal. So we will divide this 13 by 2. 2 6 are 12. We will put point here. 0, 2 5s are 10. So our answer is 6.5. This one is your answer. Let's simplify fourth one also. 30.94 can be written as 3094 upon 100, because there are 2 digits after this decimal. Divide sign as it is. 0.7 can be written as 7 upon 10. 3094 upon 100 as it is. Divide will convert into multiply. 7 upon 10, reciprocal of 7 upon 10 will be 10 upon 7. Then we will multiply this numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, and we will get 30,940 upon 700. Then we will cancel out. Now you have to think by which number both the number will cancel out. Yes, since both the numbers are even, we can cancel out it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, and 2 7s are 14. 1547 upon 35. Now you have to think again by which number both the number will cancel out. Yes, since here the last digit is 7 and here the last digit is 5, so we will cancel out by 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7. 221 by 5. Now we will divide this and we will convert it into decimal form. 221 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. What we will remain? 2. Then we will write here 1. Again 5 4s are 20. 1 will remain. 0.0. Then 5 2s are 10. So our answer is 44.2. This one is our answer. Let's simplify ninth part also. 2.73 can be written as 273 upon 100. Divide sign as it is. 1.3 can be written as 13 upon 10. 273 upon 100 as it is. Divide will convert into multiply. Reciprocal of 13 upon 10 will be 10 upon 13. Then we will multiply. We will get 2730 upon 1300. This 0 cancel with this 0. Now we have to think by which number both the number will cancel out. Yes, we will divide it by 13. 13 1s are 13, 0, and 13 2s are 26, and 13 1s are 13. What we will get? We will get 21 upon 10. Now we will convert this into decimal form. Our answer will be 2.1. Question number 6 is a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Once again we will read the question, student. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. Here vehicle is covering how much distance? 43.2 km, and used petrol is 2.4 liters, and we have to find how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol. So let's start the solution. First we will write what is given here. Since distance covered by the vehicle in 2.4 liters of petrol, how much distance it is covering? 43.2 kilometer. So therefore distance covered by it in 1 liter of petrol Obviously student, here 2.4 liters. In 2.4 liters, distance is 43.2 kilometer, and we have to find in 1 kilometer distance covered by this vehicle. So obviously we will divide this 43.2 by 2.4. 43.2 divided by 2.4. Again we will simplify this in similar way. First we will remove the decimal point. 43.2 can be written as 432 upon 10, divide sign as it is, and 2.4 can be written as 24 upon 10. Next step, 432 upon 10 as it is. This divide sign will convert into multiply sign. Then we will take the reciprocal of 24 upon 10, which is 10 upon 24. Student, directly you can cancel out this 10 from 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. What will remain in numerator? 432 into 1, we will get 432 upon 1 into 24, we will get 24. Now we will divide this 432 by 24. Both numbers are even numbers, so we will cancel out by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 six are 12. Again we can cancel out this by 2, 2 six are 12, 2 ones are 2. Then we will put here 0 sign because this number is less than 2, and 2 eights are 16. Now we can divide this by directly 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 4 will remain, and 6 eights are 48. So our answer will be 18 kilometer. So the vehicle will cover 18 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. So our answer will be vehicle will cover 18 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. Student, after reading this question, first you have to check we will divide or multiply. Since here 2.4 liter is given here, it means bigger number is given, and we have to find the 1 liter of petrol. So we will divide it.